Investigation 4.2, we are dealing with everyday use of proportions. And the way this investigation starts out, in our everyday lives we often need to solve proportion problems. So do bankers, tailors, designers, and people in many other occupations. So we use proportions, and people use proportions on a regular basis. It's just that a lot of times they don't see it that way. But because we are covering this right now in math, I'm going to basically show you how an everyday situation does turn into a proportion problem and a way for you to try to solve it. So what we have is part A, jogging 5 miles. Burns about 500 calories. How many miles will Tanisha need to jog to burn off the 1,200 calorie lunch that she just ate? Now this is a regular situation that a lot of people do face where they're calorie counting. So we're going to set it up as a proportion. 5 miles, 500 calories. And we're going to set that equal to X miles, 1,200 calories. And so what we want to do is we want to solve the proportion. And the way that we're going to go about doing this is trying to find the scale factor. So we want to know, how do we go from 500 to 1,200? And if you remember how we do scale factor, we're going to do 1,200 divided by 500. And whoa, 1,200. Oh, 1,200 divided by 500. All right. And that equals 2.4. And we always try to label it. That is our scale factor. All right. So to go from 500 to 1,200 times 2.4. And we're going to double check that just to make sure. 500 times 2.4 does equal 1,200. So we're all set. All right. So now we're going to do the same thing for 5 miles to X miles. We're going to times by 2.4. So 5 times 2.4 equals 12. So miles equals 12. And we have solved our problem.